High-velocity sales accelerates your inside sales process with a high-productivity workspace. In this video, we'll walk through the main features that the product offers for sales reps. To use high-velocity sales, select the app from the app launcher. As a sales rep, you probably prefer to avoid switching between multiple applications, windows, and datasets to handle your prospects. High-velocity sales is built on the Sales Console, which provides you with everything you need in a tab-based workspace. You can see details about your most important records alongside the familiar workspace and activity timeline. Another useful Sales Console feature is the split view. Switch to the split view to see a useful component or list view while you work with your other tabs and subtabs. Use the work queue to see a prioritized list of emails, calls, and other tasks. The Sales Cadences tab shows activities defined by sales managers. Activities created from Sales Cadences automatically appear when they're due. The My Feed tab shows when prospects interact with emails from Sales Cadences. It lets you know when prospects open an email, reply, or click an email link. Select an email subject to view an email and its engagement details. The engagement-related list shows all the interactions from the last 90 days. You can see when and how many times recipients engage with emails in a chronological list. You can also add one-off calls or emails to the My List tab. Navigate to Sales Cadence records to see more details about Sales Cadences. To add records to a Sales Cadence or My List, select the action from the Action dropdown. Assign prospects to yourself, the record owner, or another high-velocity sales user. Take action directly from the work queue. To send emails, simply click the mail icon. And with email templates, you can work through multiple emails in no time at all. With Einstein Activity Capture, relevant emails and events are automatically associated with records, so you don't have to worry about manually logging different activities. If you use Lightning Dialer, click Start Calling to launch Dialer and to work through your call list. You can also click the phone icon next to the prospect to launch Dialer from the console. Call scripts make it easy to know exactly what to say during each interaction. And other Dialer features like voicemail drop and call result tracking save you even more time. Other actions include manually completing a step or skipping a step if it isn't relevant. And if you're using the email integration feature, you can access the work queue from Outlook or Gmail. High-velocity sales gives you the tools to work directly through prospects rapidly, directly in Salesforce. To learn more, check out these resources, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.